My dear Arans, congratulations to everyone the day of 10 December 2021, World Human Rights Day. The day of 10 December has a special significance in terms of human rights protection. This day is celebrated as International Human Rights Day or World Human Rights Day in 1950. The United Nations declared 10 December as Human Rights Day, whose purpose is to make people around the world aware of the importance of human rights and to be aware of its observance. Human rights also includes the right to health, economic, social, and education. Human rights are those fundamental rights from which human beings cannot be oppressed and denied on the basis of race, caste, creed, nationality, religion, sex, etc. Human rights are those basic and inalienable rights which every human being possesses by virtue of being a human. Since human existence starts from the birth of an individual, these rights become operative from a person's birth. These rights are inherent in every individual irrespective of their caste, creed, religion, sex, and nationality. These rights are essential for physical, moral, social, and spiritual growth of an individual in a society. These rights are also necessary for an individual to live life to dignity and freedom. Human rights is a generic term and it embraced civil rights, civil liberties, and social, economic, and cultural rights. The terms fundamental rights, basic rights, inherent rights, natural rights, birth rights can be used interchangeable with the terms human rights. A state has duty to uphold or respect human rights and to protect an individual from unjust and degrading treatment. Existence of a civil social order is necessary for an individual to seek human rights. AHRA also work since 1987 has a special significance in terms of human rights protection. AHRA is a premier civil society on human rights in Asia Pacific. It is registered under Society Act 1860, registered under Government of India, ATG 5, 6 and 90 Act 1961, FCR Home Ministry of India Act 1976, Election Commission, Post and Telegraph and RNI, Information and Broadcasting Ministry of India, DAVP Government of India. It is also affiliated to United Nations and registered ECOSOC, Economic and Social Council of United Nations, American Bar Association, International Bar Association London, and supported many authorities of India and abroad. All India Human Rights Association AHRA established in 1987 and registered 12th October in the year 1989. Under the Society Registration Act 21 of 1860 is working with dedication for the noble cause of human rights, protection and promotion, justice for all, economic upliftment of the underprivileged, education, love, peace, harmony, and friendship, national and international integration by exchange of ideas and ethics among the neighboring countries and the people of the rest of the world. We have a lofty vision of networking with the nation in the world who solemnly agree with us to promote human values in the globe. We are contemplating to create an innovative and integrated learning network, campus learning and community management network. Our focus is to empower the campus and help reach out to the world to consolidate and deliver knowledge with respect to human rights issues that haunt the world today and to bring about peace, harmony, and amity amongst us. ERA has now entered into 35 years to its existence, and in this journey so far, it has successfully established itself as a pioneer organization of the nation and all around the world. It has been working for human rights since 1987 without donation or any kind of contribution, and will continue to do so as long as your love and support is with us. ERA has done its best, and in the days to come, it will always do its best for the awareness, upliftment, and protection of human rights. Thank you. Yours, Dr. Emidua, President ERA. Again, see me later.